little girl, go back home where you belong. I told you that it wouldn't work. I can't lie, it's so good to see you again. I must admit that you had me fooled, but gradually I got hip to you. And so my dear, I'm so afraid that this is what I'm forced to say. Go away, go away, go away. Remember what I told you, as long as you remain in school, you must do what your folks say to do. Go away, go back home, oh, go back home, little girl. Go back home where you belong. I told you that it wouldn't work. I'm afraid that you're much too young. Go back home, oh, go back home, go back home, little girl. You're much too young, you're much too young.